Imagine climbing to the top of the highest mountain in the world. The higher you go, the thinner the air becomes, meaning there is far less oxygen available for your lungs to process. As atmospheric pressure drops, each breath pulls in a fraction of the oxygen your body requires. For most people, this deficit leads directly to severe exhaustion and the eventual failure of cells. Yet thousands of years ago, certain groups of early humans moved into these extreme, lethal altitudes and stayed there forever. They established permanent settlements in the Himalayas, the Andes, and the Ethiopian highlands. Their survival was not a matter of better tools, but an internal biological shift, a record of human endurance encoded in their very cells. To understand how they thrived in the thin air, we shift our focus to the microscale. The evidence is written inside human DNA. Modern humans did not develop this adaptation entirely on their own. They inherited a specific genetic upgrade by interbreeding with a different group of ancient hominins, known as the Denisovans. This genetic handoff is linked to remote regions of Asia, where physical evidence of Denisovan existence was first recorded. This group passed down a highly specialized trait called the EPAS1 gene. The EPAS1 gene adjusted how the human body interacts with the atmosphere, making permanent life in the clouds possible. The Denisovan EPAS1 gene was the first localized solution for populations living on the Tibetan Plateau. But as human migration continued to South America, a different biological solution appeared for the Andes Mountains. Instead of using the Himalayan genetic path, populations in the Andes developed a second, unique biological method to process thin air. Researchers eventually found a third adaptation, operating specifically in the Ethiopian highlands. Evolution acts as a flexible engineer, customizing unique biological solutions tailored to the specific demands of each region. Scientists use these three distinct genetic mutations as a ledger to track human movement across the globe. By tracking these specific DNA branches, researchers can pinpoint the specific historical era when migrating humans adapted to high altitudes. Reaching these altitudes changed the biology of these groups, allowing them to remain in the mountains indefinitely. Advanced genetic sequencing has provided a map of this ancient movement, showing the physical resilience of our early ancestors. Those ancient biological changes are now at the center of modern medical research in 2026. Doctors today are treating severe heart and lung diseases that cause patients to suffer from oxygen deprivation. The genetic patterns found in mountain explorers are being used to develop new treatments for these modern conditions. Doctors in 2026 are translating these three biological solutions into specific methods for preventing cellular failure. The biological strengths that protected mountain explorers 10,000 years ago are now being used to preserve lives in hospitals today.